Breaking news on protein and more. Scientists are always looking for new information on the positives and negatives of protein and protein derivatives. The following is a collection of news stories related to protein and new discoveries about how it affects health and certain types of diseases. Breaking news story 1. New protein could offer hope for Alzheimer's treatment. Noted Nobel Prize-winning scientist Paul Greingard started studying the effects of Alzheimer's disease 25 years ago when his father-in-law was diagnosed with a degenerative brain disease. Greingard discovered a new protein that may be involved in the production of beta-amyloid, the substance that makes up the plaque that builds up in the brain of Alzheimer's patients, causing the memory and cognitive impairment typical of the disease. Greingard hopes his discovery will lead to a drug that will slow or stop these effects. The field of Alzheimer's research has opened up even more recently, with some 200 new papers published on the topic every week. New scans and tests are being developed for the early detection of Alzheimer's disease, including spinal taps and approximately 100 new experimental drugs. Most of those new drugs are focusing on one particular enzyme, gamma secretase, which snips the protein used to produce beta-amyloid. This protein is actually found in a healthy brain, though in smaller quantities. The protein's role remains a mystery, but it is thought to kill off microbes and fight infections in the brain. Gamma secretase also plays other, more crucial roles in the body, including removing the stubs of other proteins left on the surface of nerve cells. Drug maker Eli Lilly recently concluded a study with a new drug that tried to block gamma secretase completely, but new information released from the company confirms that medication actually made the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease worse. A drug that is currently on the market for the treatment of certain types of cancer, including a very rare, digestive system cancer, has been shown to block the new protein but cannot be used to treat Alzheimer's because it is removed from the brain too quickly. The hope among scientists is that this drug can be the starting model for an effective one. Breaking news story 2, the RA-Alzheimer's connection, a particular signaling protein that is released during rheumatoid arthritis dramatically lessens the effects of Alzheimer's disease and also reversed memory impairment in mice specially bred to have the disease. The protein, GM-CSF, is thought to stimulate the production and motion of natural scavenger cells that attack and destroy amyloid deposits in the brain. After studies revealed that people with rheumatoid arthritis are far less likely to get Alzheimer's than those without it, treatments began using non-steroidal anti-inflammatory, NSAIDs, but they were found to have no effect at all. The recombinant human form of the protein, GSM-CSF, called leukeina, has already received FDA approval and is currently used for cancer patients. It has a good safety record so far and could soon be tested in humans for treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Preliminary testing in mice has been promising so far, with the mice showing improvement in their cognitive function and memory skills in as few as 10 days. The mice's brains also showed a 50% decrease in beta-amyloid and an increase in Nicoligea, which are used to rid the body of toxic substances. A new study involving this signaling protein is coming from the University of Florida. Breaking news story 3, protein's role in HIV. Scientists at Loyola University in Illinois have potentially identified the 6 crucial amino acids in an immune deficiency. That protein has been shown to protect against developing AIDS in monkeys. However, that has not been confirmed in humans. These 6 amino acids may soon be used to create a new drug that will not kill the AIDS virus but will instead prevent it from causing symptoms in the body by triggering the body's innate immunity. Innate immunity is immune system cells that are not pre-coded to fight one specific infection. However, it is able to recognize the invading microorganisms as foreign bodies. The body does not launch the classic immune response, so healthy cells are not destroyed in the process. The new protein, TRIM5A, does not stop HIV from getting into the cell. It does, however, keep it from using the cell's nutrition to feed on. It also keeps the immune system from functioning, which is the cause of most of the major devastation of the disease. Currently, the protein's development is only in the speculation stage. Breaking news story 4, treatment in protein C deficiency. A new highly targeted treatment may be available for the treatment of a rare plasma protein deficiency. The deficiency causes thrombotic episodes that typically begin in very early infancy or in utero and can lead to congenital blindness and other serious conditions. It has also led to the death of many affected patients. Protein C is a critical enzyme that is necessary for the coagulation and the generation of thrombin. Breaking news story 5, a truly insane story of protein and booze. The situation, the muscle-bound hunk of MTV's Jersey Shore, has received a $400,000 signing bonus to become a spokesman for the new vodka company, Devotion. The vodka is being endorsed this way because it contains a clear protein called casein. Casein promotes lean body mass and decreases body fat if used with regular diet and exercise. However, the effect of adding booze to the mix is not actually known. Already known fact, protein supplements like ProfectR from Protica are beneficial to most healthy eating plans. High in protein but low in calories, it is available in a number of refreshing fruit-based flavors.